So, welcome back. Let's dive into a little meditation practice. Why don't we? Again, think of this as a coming back home to your body, reconnecting with your breath and that part of you that no one else knows or sees but you. Feel free to use any hand mudra that you like. So either your palms down on the knees or the back of your palms resting on the knees, either the palms open or your first finger and thumb lightly touching. As you'll see, I have a bolster, so find yourself a comfortable sitting position. Maybe it's a block, maybe it's a bolster if you have one, or maybe pillows. I'll use the Zazen hand gesture for my practice. And whenever you're ready, relax your glutes and gently close your eyes. And begin to bring your awareness to the flow of your breath. As you breathe in, take the thought with you. I'm not the body. And as you exhale, I'm not even the mind. Breathing in, I'm not the body. And as you exhale, I'm not even the mind. Continue repeating that to yourself silently with each inhalation. I'm not the body. And as you exhale, I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. If at any time during your practice, if you find that maybe your mind may have wandered off to what it is you intend to do after your practice or what you did earlier, just gently bring it back to breathing in. I'm not the body. And as you exhale, I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Again, keep that thought with you. And I'll leave you with your breath for the next little while. Relaxing the shoulders as you give yourselves complete permission to relax, let go, come back to that place of trust. You trust your body's intelligence, that it knows exactly how much air to take in and how much to let out. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Not the body. I'm not even the mind. next inhale, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, taking a deep breath in through the nose, really expanding your diaphragm. And as you exhale, encouraging your belly button as far back towards the spine as possible. Breathing in, I'm not the body. And as you exhale, I'm not even the mind. 2 more, I'm not the body as you inhale. I'm not even the mind. 1 more. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. As you exhale, letting go of that thought and noticing the sensations in your body. Just feel what you feel here. Inhaling your hands to your heart center, giving thanks and honor for all that you choose to be. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through your meditation practice this morning. Remember, as you go about your day, cultivate a relationship with your breath. Be present in each moment, recognizing that in each moment we are exactly where we need to be as we continue on our journey in life. Namaste.